Back working on the C10. It's like 40 degrees here in Georgia today. Ain't too bad, but not when it was 70 yesterday. You ain't used to that. Got the hinges put on it yesterday. Went ahead and got the strikers. Uncle painted them, I don't know why, but can't beat that. Yes, sir. Them hinges were a pain. I don't know if any of y'all ever done them, but getting the door line back in was not fun. This damn striker wasn't. Had to take this apart in here, hold the back side so it didn't, the little nut didn't fall off. Hopefully I'll get the temperature sensor today, get the new blinker switch put in. That should fix the light shorting out. Then I'll just have to, the oil pressure gauge is working when this wasn't shorting out. Then that'll just leave me with the volts, the alternator gauge. Yes, sir, we're getting there. Got this striker put on. Yes, sir. Like new money. I don't know why my uncle painted them red, but he did. Show y'all this blinker switch over here being a bit. Got this wire. Get it pulled out. That's where it was shorted. But you see when I pull this is the plug down here for it. Tape this wire to that wire, pull it through. Then I'll tape the new wire on there and pull it back through. I'll show y'all once I do it. Fender didn't match, so he's just sticking some black paint on there. Patina in a can. We don't know how they did the other. We don't know how the other part ended up like that. Looks the same, man. Hell. This bad boy needs an LS with twins on it too. It's got a brand new 360 in it, but it's one of my other uncles. Was a nitrous car, but he ain't done shit with it. It's got a new motor, it runs, but let's see. You got parts for a new radiator. It's actually a nice car. Nice. It's all there. that thing going one day. Get back to work on this too. And you gotta round up some buddies, get some help, get that bed in there. Got a Bandit Trans Am too. All kinds of projects. Get that bad boy in there. Get that dent fixed. Yes, sir. And all this was time just wasted. This was for cruise control, and I didn't even realize it until the end. He wasn't even putting cruise control back on the damn truck.
There's a little hole in there.
So I wasted all my time fooling with this, trying to feed the wire back up through the collar. All when I didn't even need
where
to.
that's coming out. Tape the new one, pull it back through.
At this point, I still didn't even know, but I'm starting to figure out I was wasting time.
So all this, the switch that this goes into must be bad. Alright. It ain't got much oil pressure, but the oil pressure is working right now. Gas gauge, well, oil pressure fell off again. And the gas gauge isn't working. Gas gauge just fell off, oil gauge fell off. And it goes back to working. Pretty sure it's the switch inside here that's bad. But we've moved on to bigger and better things. Had to go in this door. Went ahead and got these locks. Get the other side done. Yes, sir. It's nothing major, but this old truck closes good. Yes, sir. Getting there. They're pretty simple once you figure it out. Pull this little clip right here off the back. And there. This just slides right off the front. Feed it back through, make sure the rod lines up. Get her going. Factory wire. Let's see if she works. We're working. Yes, sir. Got a temperature gauge.
Jump right up there.
This thing's got issues. Temperature gauge was working fine. Hit the blinkers. Oh, now it ain't. Oh, and then that happens. Now it won't go back to working. What the hell? Let's see what we got here. Volt gauge working. Oil gauge working. Temperature gauge working. Gas gauge working. Blinkers working. Wipers working. It was all a bad ground on the back of the cluster. Sorry I didn't get a video for that, guys. It's a total pain in the arse. Working on the old C10, 85 C10 today. Again, we got all the cluster working, gauges working. Look at this. JB Weld. Oh, JB Weld all down there. All that's what it's leaking. Sheesh. We're gonna start with the radiator. We'll move to the oil leak later. Yes, sir. Holding it in on top. Looks like staples. I could be wrong. Those look like staples to me. What the hell, Burger? I ain't got no staples on the LS motor shroud. This is new to me. Hopefully it all hit the pan. Lovely. Ow. If I had $1 for every time I hit my damn elbow on that thing, I'd probably buy a whole nother truck. One step closer. And it's starting to rain. Replacing the radiator, new thermostat. I think he's got a new thermostat housing he's getting as well. We shall see whenever he gets here. Once you get this shroud free up here, we're not even gonna take the shroud off. We're just gonna push that back like that. Yes, sir. We had 2 lines over here on the side. I believe those are transmission cooler lines. One there, one down there. Got them bad boys taken out. Sucker should just pull up. Yeah. Lovely. Lovely. Oh yeah, and check the drain. Not doing nothing. Oh. Oh, shit. Nobody saw that. Oh. You don't need that rubber, probably. You need this rubber down here. Save those. Put that back down there on both sides. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, if he'd ever get here with the new radiator. Yes, sir. Under the steering wheel. Someone had painted both of them silver. It didn't match anything. So I got some fabric and vinyl dye, or spray paint, basically. Got it painted up. Looks fine. Show y'all once I get it installed. It's raining on me. That goes there. That will go under there. This is already black, so it'll match fine. Boom. Yes, sir. What a miserable rainy day it's become. I thought this was funny. You think my dad likes Mopars? This was the following day when I went back over to my dad's shop. Trump knows as soon as we get close. Loretta's gonna hear us and come running out here. Where's she at? Here she comes. All the brake fluid that leaked out of it was not fun. I got both the front rubber lines done. Definitely needed them. I have to get me a GoPro to slap on my head to get the how-to videos, because I'm just filming with my phone. When it gets to be a pain in the ass, it's the last thing I'm thinking about is busting out the phone to video it, but I guess that's what I gotta do. Got the heater box and everything for there. Get started on it as soon as it gets me a new heater for. Let's see if you can see the brake line. Yeah, there's one new brake line. Oh. There's the other. Got the blade back. Went ahead and cleaned it off a little bit under here. New radiator in there, doing good. Yes, sir. Got everything hanging down. Once I get that box stuck in there, that'll be good. I'm gonna get his seat dyed black. Get these door panels dyed black. Paint this kick panel like the other side. New door hinges and striker, thing closing good. If anybody's got a tailgate, let me know. I'll let him know. Got that bezel put in there. Black bezel. Painted that black to match. Temperature gauge says it's running warm, but we tested it with the digital one, so I don't know if the temperature gauge is bad or if it's the sending unit. We're getting there. Got that painted black. Wipers work. It's coming along. Getting stuff checked off his list. Yes, sir. Let it sit. The temperature gauge starts out a quarter of the way up. So that's why I believe it's reading that far above. When you crank it, that is dead cold. Gotta figure that out. Why? It's got a brand new sensor and I don't know. Guess I need to zero the gauge out somehow. The old C10's coming together. Once I get everything dyed black, it'll be looking good. Won't be a bad looking truck. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.